Hi, today I'm ready from T-MOBILE Revvl 6 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So first let's see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should first hold for a while our device screen, then click here to Home Settings and tap here on the switcher near Show Google App. You can see that the Google Discover is turned off. Now we can see that we just disabled it successfully. If you want to turn it on once again, hold for a while your device home screen, click to Home Screen Settings and tap here on the switcher to Show Google App. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.